And sometimes the moms will be defensive and push the kayaks away because of that too. They just want us to go away. So small. The baby's got to be at least 1.5 to 2 feet. Okay. I gotta look that up. I wonder what that behavior is. You know, she's just kind of rolling underneath the baby, all that. Yeah.
Baby doesn't seem to be doing a whole lot of breathing.
Is there 2 babies right here?
Yeah, there's another baby right there. I've been monitoring that. I do see it come up for breath, and I've seen the baby actually swim. So I've been wondering, yes, if it's had breathing issues.